Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are cooking a very flavorful spicy pork belly dish. It is definitely a rice killer, but also suitable for teaming up with noodles. Don't miss this recipe if you like a spicy kick from the food. Okay, let's start now. 300 gram pork belly with skin, colored to about half centimeter thick. Marinate the pork belly with 2 teaspoons light soy sauce, half teaspoon white pepper powder, half teaspoon garlic powder. Mix the seasoning with the pork belly and then add 1 tablespoon oil and mix it well with the pork belly and then set aside waiting for cooking. About 2 handfuls of cabbage. If you like to eat cabbage, you can add up to about quarter of the cabbage. Remove the stem and then cut it to bite size. One piece of pressed tofu. Slice it diagonally so each slice will be bigger. Marinate pressed tofu with 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, 1 hot chilli. Don't remove the seeds if you can tolerate medium hot level. If you can't, you can remove the seeds to make it mild spicy. Cut away both ends and then cut the chili to small pieces. And finally, 4 to 6 cloves of garlic. We prepare a gravy first before start cooking. 2 teaspoons light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, half teaspoon garlic powder, some white pepper powder, quarter teaspoon sugar, 60 ml water, and 1 teaspoon cornstarch. Mix everything well and then put aside waiting for cooking. Now we start cooking. Spray a little bit oil to the hot wok. Pork belly is pretty fatty, so we don't need to use a lot of oil. Pan fry the pork belly with medium heat until both sides slightly turned brown. Toast the pork belly for a few times after both sides turned slightly brown. Don't worry about the caramelized crust at the bottom of the wok. Add 60 ml water to the wok. Toast until the water evaporated. The caramelized crust will be fully dissolved at this stage. Now put the garlic cloves, chili, pressed tofu, and cabbage in. Toast for a few times and then put the lid on and cook for 1 minute. One minute later, open the lid. Toast everything for a few times. Then put the gravy water in. Remember to mix the gravy water for a few times before pouring to the wok, as the cornstarch tends to settle at the bottom of the water. Toast until the gravy water thickened. Then do a final tasting. Add more salt if needed. And finally, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Then this dish is done. This dish is so flavorful. The chili gives a good kick to the appetite, but doesn't override the flavor of the ingredients. Pork belly is tender, cabbage is juicy, and the pressed tofu is very flavorful after absorbing all the sauces. I hope you will give this recipe a try and will like it too. If you like this recipe, please share it out. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!